Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can make a stand in Please Donate on PS4 or PS5 version of a Roblox, and in this video I will show you how you can create a donation buttons as well. So you just need to go to Please Donate, then you need to press square to claim. I know why it's basically saying X, but you need to press square. And now, as you can see here, my stand is claimed, and then I can do a bunch of different things here. I can change the title here if I want to, and then I can change, as you can see here, my stand model and whatsoever. But probably you want to know how to create a donation button here, so let me show how. So first guys, you need to go to roblox.com on your browser or on your phone, it really doesn't matter. And then you need to just press create. And then on create, you then need to scroll down until you see experiences, and this will be default one. You should have this option here, and you just need to then press manage experience here. And then once you press the manage experience here, then you need to go to, as you can see here, I don't see that option, but you should see associated items. Yeah. Then once you press associated items, you need to go to passes here, and then you need to create a pass. And then you need to give it a name so you can easily remember, and other players that, for example, donate you will see that number. So for example, let's put thanks, and then you can select 5. And then you can upload photo, but it really doesn't matter. You can basically do without a photo here, and then just create a pass. And once you do that, then as you can see, my pass is off sale. So what you need to do here is to go on, press on the thing that you created, go to sales, then go to item for sale, and then give a basically price and save the changes. And of course, log into your Roblox account that you use on PlayStation here. And then do whatever price you want. So as you can see here, I just did for 20, 5, 10, and 50. And then it should appear on your stand. Right, so that's pretty much it. And you just, after you create the thing here, and you put your passes here on sale. As you can see here, on sale, you just need to restart your Roblox on PS4 or PS5, then go to it and claim the stand, and it should appear. Right, so that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.